Today I'm spilling the tea on how to make these peach cobbler biscuits with a peach vanilla glaze. And baby, we are making these biscuits in my brand new biscuit bowl that's launching next month. Baby, when I tell you I am so excited, make sure you're subscribing to my website so you don't miss the tea on the launch. Now for this recipe, you're gonna need Miss Lena's buttermilk biscuit mix, some sugar, some grated frozen butter, and give everything a good mix. Once that's well combined, you wanna add in your peaches. I drained and patted dry these canned peaches and then added it to my mix and then added my buttermilk. Once I combined everything and it formed a dough, I just rolled out my biscuits like I normally would. You're gonna need a lot of extra flour to make sure your dough does not get too wet. Y'all have seen me make my biscuits before. The method is still the same, but I put the full recipe and the steps on my website, spillingthesweettea.com. Baby, peep these peaches coming through. Oh my God, they made these biscuits so moist and delicious. Now, baby, let me spill the tea on how I made this glaze. I got these freeze-dried peaches from Amazon. I then pulverized them into a powder and then added that powder to some powdered sugar. Added a little bit of milk and some vanilla extract, and baby, you got a peach vanilla glaze. And of course, to make these peach cobbler biscuits, I added some crushed graham crackers on top. And baby, when I tell you these were so good, definitely a 10 out of 10. It's rare I shock myself with some of the stuff I come up with, but I had to push them biscuits away because I would have ate the whole pan. I cannot put into words how good these were. The Biscuit Queen has done it again. Like and follow Spilling the Sweet Tea for more easy recipes.